Hi everyone, I'm Noga, part of our Teams team here at Microsoft. Teams and channels can be used to create a one stop hub for getting work done together with your work group right in Teams. Yet, setting up a channel and ensuring all of the right people are part of it can feel like, well, a lot. Right now, I'm working with my team on a new product launch, so we created few channels to help us stay organized. One for documentation, another one for go to market plan, one digital asset, and more. Each channel has different members, so only the right people are in each conversation. Today, I need to add a new channel to communicate with our finance team. So let's create it together. To create a new channel, click on the three dots next to your team name and choose Add Channel. Give the channel a name, add a description, and choose the type of channel you want. Standard. Everyone on the team will be part of your channel. This is great to choose if you're looking to post team-wide announcements and conversations. Private is best to use for more sensitive topics like budget discussions or a product development group, so only certain team members can see the conversation. Because budget discussions can be sensitive, I'll choose private channel and invite only the relevant stakeholders. From the info pane, I can see all the channel member. So I can add or remove people as needed. My manager isn't a channel member, but I want to be sure she's kept up to date on my work. So I request to add her to the channel. My requests go to the team owner, who has permission to add new members. If you are the team admin, you can add and remove channel members yourself without needing to wait for approval. Now that I have everyone I need in my channel, I'm ready to start the conversation. This week, I'll need to reach out to my finance team a lot. Rather than tagging each one of them individually in every conversation, I'm going to set up tags for the finance team. Move the mouse to the team name and right-click. A menu opens. Click on Manage Team and go to the Tags tab. Click on Create a Tag. Add name, description, and people. Now you can create your own tag. Once the tag is added, I just mention the group in the channel, and everyone who we just assigned to the tag is notified, just like they would be if I had mentioned them individually. Give it a try. Create a tag, see who is in your channel, or invite external users, like suppliers, to your workgroup. Tap into the power of teamwork, and for more tips for all you can do in Teams, be sure to subscribe.